This is the first time you've actually had a chance to see how they work. They obviously did something to you, so
yeah.
We'll try and show you what they do, all right? So
awesome.
First thing I'd like to do is just test your swing muscles, if that's okay.
Yeah.
So I'll get you in your setup position, please. Good. So in your setup position, we'd like to just put a little bit of pressure on each shoulder to see how your core reacts. Do you notice anything when I do this, Chandler?
Yeah, I definitely feel like I'm having to brace a little bit, and I move.
Okay, you move a bit when I push on your left shoulder. Okay, that's fine. So now I'd like you to just simply go into 1/3 backswing, please. Okay, so I'm going to be pushing gently just to see if your muscles lock in your core from your left shoulder to your right shoulder, so on a diagonal right through, all right? So I'm going to put a bit of pressure, and I'll just have you try and resist a little bit. And you'll notice that it's quite hard for you to lock up in that position.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go into 1/3 follow through. Okay, hold that position. Now I'm going to do the same thing, shoulder to shoulder, and I'm going to push, and again, and again. Good. Now, I'm going to take your phone out, Chandler, because believe it or not, telephones can really mess up your nervous system.
Okay.
So if you don't mind, I'm going to put it right here.
Sorry.
Always keep your phone off your body,
Sorry.
and I'll show you why in a second. Okay, so let's go into that 1/3 backswing again, please. Okay, 1/3 backswing, a little bit further. Okay, there you go. And I'm going to put pressure, and again. Okay, now let's do 1/3 follow through, please. Okay. Now that side, you seem to resist better. Do you notice that?
For sure.
Okay, now I want you to go 3/4 backswing. Okay, we'll go a little bit further, okay?
Oh, 3/4, okay.
Yeah, okay, good. And I'm gonna put a bit of pressure, and that, you really fall back onto your heels.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go 3/4 follow through. Okay, that's a little bit too far, because that's good, just there, okay? I wanna see how you resist. Okay, now you feel you can load against this resistance. Do you feel the difference?
Yeah.
Go 3/4 full backswing again. We just want to make sure that we're in the right path here. Yeah, I see you find that really hard to resist.
Yeah, that one's
okay.
tumbling.
Okay, so that means that there's something wrong somewhere on the right side of your body. So I'm going to clip a device onto you. I have them on myself, so I'll clip mine onto you. And we'll just attach it to your shoelace on each side. Now you've got the clips on, Chandler. Let's just go into 1/3 backswing. That's it. And I'm going to put pressure. Okay. Now, do you notice the difference between the two?
Wow.
Okay. Well, what happens then if I take one clip off and just throw it there? Okay. Okay. And again. Okay. Not so easy.
No.
Let's do it once more. When you break the triangle of the energy pattern, it doesn't work as well. All right, so let's go back into that 1/3 backswing. Hold there as I push, and now you're locking. What happens when you go into 3/4 backswing? Okay. Okay, feel the difference, Chandler? Stay right there. I'm going to take this off, and now try. There's nothing, and I really didn't have to push at all. Okay. See, you want to lunge forward, don't you? Try. You want to. Your brain will want you to lunge forward to try and engage force when you're already shut off here. So when we put the clip back onto you, all right, let's do that once more. 1/3, and that's it. 3/4 good, right there. And now you don't have to lunge forward, and you engage without any trouble at all.
Nice.
So that tends to mean that without the devices on in your backswing, you have to recruit other muscles. And really skilled players get away with it. But if you want to come back and through with this and use your legs to the optimum and your core to the optimum, you have to recruit other muscles that aren't working for you when you don't have the clips on. Does that make sense to you?
For sure, yeah.
So you'll change the biomechanics of your swing, essentially. So I'm going to take this clip off, because as soon as you is if there's a clip on each ankle, it doesn't affect your body at all because the energy pathway just goes from ankle to ankle.
Okay.
As soon as you put a third one on right here, then the energy pathway goes this way, and then it wakes up the nerve receptors in your body, and your body turns your brain turns your muscles on.